Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Tools School. My name is Vincent. Just gonna quickly show you how to print documents, how to print PDF document. The first option is for you to select Ctrl P from your keyboard. Ctrl P. And once you select Ctrl P, it will bring out the print option for you to select the print. You just need to go ahead and select all the features, all the settings that you want and select print. And the document is now printing. This is the document we printed out. Another way to do this is for you to select File, then select Print. Then it will also show you the print settings. Then you select the correct printer. Then select if you want to print one or two-sided. And also select how many copies, one-sided, orientation, portrait. The paper size is A4. Then you select how many copies, then select print. This is the document we printed out. So these are quick ways to print documents from your PC. Hope this helped you. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.